They will come crawling back. They won't be able to resist my energy. My energy is magnetic. My energy is so undeniable. My energy is breathtaking. I am unforgettable. I am unshakable. I am a force in their life that no one else could ever replace. I am the one who is chosen. I am the one who is worshipped. They come crawling back because they remember what it felt like to be loved by me. They are now clawing their way back to me. They come crawling back to me. They come crying for me. I hold the power. I hold the key. I am irreplaceable. My love is once in a lifetime. They are reaching out. They are texting. They are calling. They are hoping for a chance to come back. I am the one they can't replace. I am the one they still dream about. They are crawling back, crying. They are crawling back, calling my name. They are crawling back, praying they get another chance. I am the one they return to. I am the one they chase. They feel the gravity of my absence. I am the one that made them feel alive. They crave my presence. I am their peace. I am their desire. I am the love they cannot outrun. I am a once in a lifetime love. I am already enough. My energy grows stronger, pulling them in like the tide, returning to the shore. I am love. They will come crawling back. They will cry. They will confess. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, they are crawling back, praying they get another chance to affirm. And if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.